Warga Patisi TV.
Song gi Khynnah na Shnong Thadrang Shnong badan Haribhoi district kilayap na kada ka jing syarat hakui ka Trok dampa kebadan u registration number ML not san EC prasau sahnyo kebadang wan na kithan joai kini kelaja hakapor ndri jemin miet ka bagini Khynnah kidang yat linti harut surak lagu gi Khynnah kebadan hakarta ka bakat khandai khat lai bakat wisnam kilayap hasyan kat ba iwe pat ibadang khat lai snam ilamin saujur hindrei lakhlat no Hanazaret hospital Shnong kada ko day na market jupin hairstyle palat unongnya ya katrok kipulen kila kiam unongnya bat klata ni kadampa shamola snai police station.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.